And we are here with Demario Phillips and Nicoy Christian, man of the match, and excellent performance again by Mr. Phillips, who many believe should have been called up to the Jamaica. Can both of you, I mean, how do you motivate yourself to keep putting in performance though you weren't called up to the recent training camp?
We are putting in the work every day, day in, day out.
Look at the starting lineup for the team. Football United will start with number 13, Benjamin Williams in goal.
What about you, Dema?
was a better push.
Number 28, Alvinus Myers. Number 6, Emilio Rousseau.
And what is your expectation of your team for the rest of the season? This is the first round that is completed. You have a next round. By the end of this round, you could be even leading the Premier League, depending on how the Waterhouse results go. I mean, what are your thoughts going ahead for the first round?
Number 7, CJ Knight. Number 10, Shea Smith.
Yeah, man. Anything we have worry about the injury as you have strapping on the tie? Minor. Yeah, but you're looking forward to being called up to the national team, at least for the Nations League, which is in July. Is there anything in particular you know you need to work on in your personal game to get into the national setup? The score sheet. Yeah, man. Yeah. Thank you so much. I mean, congratulations on the win again. Good performance. Keep it up. We do believe at I Am Sure Sports that you guys should have been called up. Keep putting in the performances, and I'm very sure Paul Hall will give you a look in. All right, man. All the best.